Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mo and welcome to a new video. So guys, today is my first day back to work and I am super duper not excited. I'm good. I had a long vacation, so I'm gonna give it a couple days before I start getting tired again, and then I'm gonna start whining about needing another vacation. But for right now, I am semi okay with going back to work. Now look guys, I woke up this morning and I was trying to put away the dishes and this fell out my hand. I just bought this too. Anyway guys, I'm just gonna be showing you guys what I'm gonna be packing in my lunch bag this morning for my work. So let's get into it. I'm gonna keep this straw though. I like the straw. I don't like doing anything with dishes in the waste drainer. I don't know why. I don't know how some people could start like cooking and stuff and there's like stuff on the counter. I just don't like Today I'm gonna be making for my lunch. I'm doing something simple because I was gonna make a salad, but I don't feel like doing the chickpeas right now. I don't know how long that's gonna take. So, and then I'm actually going to work earlier than I'm usually meant to go. Normally I go in for 7, but today I'm going for 5. If I go at 5, I have to leave 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. I have to leave at 3:30. No, that's too early. That would be too early. I'm gonna go ahead and go in at like 5:30 so I can leave at 4. Yeah, because I work 10 and a half hour shift. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So anyway guys, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare. Today I'm gonna be making a BLT sandwich with smart bacon, and I think I'm just gonna make some farina for my breakfast and just take a lot of fruits with me for the day. So the bread I'm gonna be using is the whole grain bread. It should be enough. And then lettuce, of course, tomato, smart mayonnaise, not mayonnaise, veganese.
Shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. shake it, baby.
Kick.
Hey, hey, hey. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Hey, hey, hey. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
Kick.
Hey, hey, hey.
I know this hairstyle is terrible, but I can't do my hair so tight because I'm gonna end up with a headache and I gotta go to work. So guys, you know I don't wear makeup. I've attempted to wear makeup a couple times, and every time I will put it on, the next day I get a pimple. So I'm like, you know what? Maybe it's just not meant for me. Maybe when I start getting older, and I'm already older, right? But older, where I can see all my wrinkles and stuff, maybe I'll start wearing makeup. And then I always try to play around with my eyebrow, but I'm going to work. Now I just put on some lip gloss, or sometimes I just use the grease. But I found this cocoa butter oil lip gloss. Smells good, it tastes good. So I've been using that, and I leave it right there on my my stand, so I won't lose it, because you know you're always losing your lip gloss for some reason. Well, I do. My hair looks terrible, guys, but I have to work today. Anyway, guys, I'm put on some perfume. Let's see what I'm gonna wear today. Put on some Visage. You can see. you guys are at work with me. Oh my goodness. So guys, as I said, I have not been here for I haven't been here in like 17 days. So I am about to get onto this computer, and I know my email is probably crazy. And one thing you could say about my job, the change are crazy. Like you miss like 2 days of work and you come back and there's like a whole new process, and you're like, but I was just gone for a day. I was just gone for 2 days. What happened? That's one thing. But my computer is taking forever because I haven't been on there forever. Anyway, this is my own little section at work or whatever. As I said, I haven't told you guys what I'm doing, but as you can see, Amazon. And don't believe all the stuff they say about Amazon. I'm a true Amazonian. Don't believe all the hype, all the negative stuff. Well, everybody have their own opinion, right? So I can't discredit it. Everybody have their own experience. What's going on with my computer? Everybody have their own experience, right? So I can't say. But for me, as I said, I don't mind my job at all. Then again, the most people that complain about Amazon is people who's in the warehouse. But you know what? I started off in the warehouse, and as much as I used to be tired and stuff, I never used to be complaining. Like, I used to just be grateful to have a job, and I don't know what's going on, but my computers are not working. Oh. Okay, good. Oh my God. You guys should see messages. Messages! Let me see if they give you a number. And this is just my instant messenger work. They didn't give you a number? 50 plus, 50 plus. So much. And I have to go read all of these because cancel. Because that's how I play catch up. So this is my little setup. I don't know why this monitor is not on. Yeah. Guys, as I said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah. 2022, we coming for you. Yes. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.